5 ways to increase your business profit in the new year. Business owners, it is so important that we are thinking about what we need to do for our business in the new year. That is why I am going to give you 5 ways to increase your profit. We're going to be talking about revenue goals, outsourcing, time spent in your business, implementing technology and tax planning. I'm going to break them all down for you right now. The number one thing that I want you to do is I want you to set a revenue goal. You may be thinking to yourself, Carla, my goal is to make as much money as possible. And it is, but that's a little elusive. I want a dollar amount put to that. Whether you want to make $100,000 a year, $200,000 a year, $10,000 a year, I need you to set a revenue goal. Why is that? Because people that set goals have a tendency to land somewhere between their goal and 0, right? So if you set a goal, you're going to navigate yourself there automatically because business owners are competitive. And being competitive means you need to establish the level of play for yourself. So if it's $100,000, then make it $100,000. $200,000, make it $200,000. Either way, I need a revenue goal for you on an annual basis that we can then break down on a monthly basis, weekly basis, and so forth. The second thing that you need to make sure of is that you select something you're currently doing and outsource it. And you may be thinking, Carla, I can't afford to pay anybody else. I am going to tell you, you have to. You have to pay somebody else to do things for you. Why? Because you're building a business. And in order to grow that business beyond you, you got to make sure that you can get other people doing some things in that particular business. I don't care if it's something small. Outsource one thing that you are currently doing, and that's going to free up your time to do what you do best. You're going to get such a return on your investment when you outsource. And when you do, make sure that you have a metric set up to measure the success of what they are doing for you. The third thing that you need to make sure that you do is spend time working on your business. I'm a tax professional. I do tax return. I do planning, accounting, but I got to step out sometimes, people, and I got to put my head down and I got to focus on growing my business. What do I need to be looking out for? What do I need to be doing? If my head is constantly down, working on client stuff, I can't do that. I got to step aside from what it is that I do in business to actually work on my business, work on my marketing, work on my vision, work on my growth. Those things are very important. So I want you to spend some time working on your business. The fourth thing that I want you to do is implement some new technology in your business. There are so many apps, so much software out there. I want you to find one thing that is going to improve your processes, improve your efficiency, and implement that in your business. Why am I saying that to you? Because you do not want your business to get stale, get old, be doing things the old way. You got to always be looking for process improvement. If you don't look for process improvement, your competitors are out there doing something to improve their process. So you're going to look old. You're going to look like a dinosaur. What? Always be thinking about what's the latest technology, the latest app that I can implement in my business to improve my business, to do something more efficiently. So important to consider that. The fifth thing that you have to do in business, you have got to tax plan. And you may be thinking, Carla, what does tax planning have to do with us growing as a business? We're in business, people, to make money. One of our biggest bills is paying Uncle Sam. So we're not monitoring how much we're going to have to pay Uncle Sam. You may make 100, you may make $250,000, you may make $1 million, but you may give half of it over to Uncle Sam because you didn't take the time to tax plan. So you gotta be tax planning. You gotta review the past. You gotta assess your current situation. You gotta figure out what are you trying to accomplish in your financial goals as it pertains to your business in your financial world, right? You got to implement strategies. And you got to make sure you're measuring and monitoring and measuring and monitoring. There's never going to be a time where you can stop tax planning, because when you do, your money is going to be going out the window to Uncle Sam. And I don't know about you guys, but I am all about my money. That is why you now know, as business owners, you need to be thinking about those 5 things that I just told you. You got to set a revenue goal. You got to outsource something that you're currently doing. You got to spend time working on your business, not just working in your business. You got to implement new technology so you can keep your business current. And you got a tax plan. And here's the real tea, people. Now that you know better, you absolutely got to do better. These are the things that are going to hyper grow your business. These are the things that are going to get your business to profit and keep that profit in your pocket so you can invest it back in your business, invest it in growing the wealth for you and your family. And so you now know what you need to do. You also need to like, comment, and subscribe so that I can make sure I keep you updated on all things tax.